Hello YouTube fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Jasenia and you'll find many cooking and baking recipes within this channel. So good to have you here. But in today's occasion, I'm going to be showing you how to make the iced white chocolate mocha. Super delicious and perfect amount of sweetness for me, I feel. But these are all the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need your iced coffee, your half and half, the white chocolate syrup, of course your ice, and your milk. I use 2% reduced fat, but you can use the milk of your preference, or you can also use cream, which is the half and half, to pour into the mix instead of the milk. You want to begin by pouring in your half and half into a cup and then setting this to whisk for about 1 to 2 minutes until it's nice and foamy, just like this. Once it has tripled in size, you can go ahead and pour your white chocolate syrup into a tablespoon measurement. Now I did add 1.5 tablespoons of white chocolate sauce just because I don't like it overly sweet. This is a perfect amount of sweetness for me, but of course it's to your liking, so you can certainly add more. But go ahead and add in the white chocolate sauce into your iced coffee and either mix it with a spoon or using a whisk like I did, just until this gets all incorporated together there. Then you want to go ahead and take your white chocolate sauce and then just pour it all around the cup over ice, and then go ahead and set your white chocolate sauce and coffee mix into your cup of ice, just like this. Next, go ahead and take your milk or cream and go ahead and add some in there. Of course, leave some room for your foam, your cold foam that you want to go ahead and pour over everything, just like this. Or if you'd rather skip the step of whisking the half and half, then go ahead and just add in whipped topping on the top. Go ahead and drizzle on the white chocolate sauce on top, and there you have it. You'll have a perfect drink to save you a little bit of money there, making it right at home. But I hope that you enjoyed this video, and with that being said, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.